Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your budget with Capital One Quicksilver, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your budget with Capital One Quicksilver, start by logging into your Capital One account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your necessary details. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Locate the section that displays your spending categories. Review your transactions to identify where you've spent the most. Focus on categories such as dining, groceries, and entertainment. Use the insights from these categories to assess your spending habits. Next, set a budget for each category based on your financial goals. Consider using the built-in budgeting tools within the Capital One app. You can customize your budget to reflect where you want to save more. After setting your budget, monitor your spending regularly. Check your account weekly to ensure you stay within your limits. If you notice overspending in any category, adjust your budget accordingly. Make use of alerts and notifications offered by Capital One. These can help you stay informed about upcoming payments and spending limits. Take advantage of the rewards feature associated with your Quicksilver card. Earn cashback on qualifying purchases and track your rewards progress. Use the cashback earned to help offset future expenses. At the end of each month, review your spending and budget performance. Make adjustments as necessary to improve your budgeting strategy. Remember, consistency is key to optimizing your budget effectively. By using these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of your Capital One Quicksilver card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.